own homemade apple pie. This is the Granny Smith apple. So I just cut this in cubes and then put some cinnamon and coconut sugar and just caramelize a little bit before we pour this in the dish pan to make the apple pie. It's better to make homemade apple pie. This is organic and vegan because we're practicing that kind of diet. So it's very easy, guys. So just cook a little bit. This apple smells like so good, you know. My husband is almost coming home. He is in the office working. So anyway, guys, this is our filling for our apple pie, organic and vegan. So today is a busy day, guys. I've been woke up about, you know, since my husband wake up going to his work. I wake up about 7 and then my son wake up about 7 and then we start our homeschool. Of course, prayer first. So this is our day today. It's about almost 5 o'clock. So I've been working in the kitchen, back and forth, doing some homeschooling. So that's being a mother. That's being a mother, guys. Okay? If you are like me, you can relate my situation. So it's very, guys. It's a very good job. Okay? So it smells so good. I'm just soaking this one so the aroma is in our home. So my children, they will not forget me. My cooking. So for today, I also bake the oats banana bread with raisin. So it's Tuesday today, December 13, 2022. So tomorrow, no cooking. It's December 14, 15, 16, 17. Few days more. My son's birthday is coming and he will be 4 years old. So, yan. Alitin to for a while. Kasi sobrang maano siya, guys. Sobrang bango. The aroma smells so good. Smells so sweet. But I use the coconut sugar, guys. Coconut brown sugars made from the coconut. So this is our apple pie filling. Of course, it's already sweet. It's apple. I bake also the what do you call this? This is breaded potato because we have plenty of potato. I don't want to waste that because I know nowadays there are so many people struggling budgeting their food, but this is free. We have plenty of potato. Oh my goodness. And this apple that I'm making, the apple pie, it's only free for that. So tomorrow is Wednesday. Somebody will drop food again in our gate. So we're thankful for that. Everything is blessing from God. Oh, that's my, wow, looks so good. My oat, banana, and raisin. Yes. First time I made this kind of oat. Instead of flour, I make that oats. Look at that. How so beautiful. Wow. So very, very beautiful. That smells so good. I will going to cook the sugar first and the apple because these are naturally sweet flavor with aroma of the cinnamon. Oh my goodness, guys. So I can't wait to honor this. So this is it. So enjoy, guys. It's kind of basically it's very easy to make this kind of food. So anyway, I just baked this little chicken. This is a Cornish chicken. So I have already a mashed potato. This is for my kids. This is a mashed potato. And of course, my husband too he's vegan. So we have some mushroom. That's mushroom is sauté. It's perfect for mashed potato and the other food. So this is my day today. It's kind of busy. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching here in my page, and subscribe to my channel, guys. The Ambassador of Faith, Maria's Garden and Vlog, and Organic Life 101. And we have another one is the Joshua Nathan's World. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. This is so good. I just sprinkle about a little bit of flour and tapioca. So it will be put together. And this is ready to bake. Of course, put this in the dish pie. Yep. This is so good. My kids will get crazy again this. Yes, this is the tapioca. It's so good, guys. Some people, you can buy also the already made filling apple pie, cherry pie, peach. Okay, that's for me. I don't want to waste the provision of God. So, I must use that to make like this. Okay. Wow, this is good. Okay. It's so good. Okay, guys, done our apple pie filling. So enjoy. Thank you for watching.